Hello everybody, my name is Achintya Sharma and today we'll be learning how to create timer app in MIT App Inventor. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to the layout and select vertical arrangement. Make this height as fill parent and width as fill parent. Now drag and drop horizontal arrangement over here and make this vertical arrangement as center and center. Make this width as fill parent. Okay, make this width. Okay, make this width as fill parent, like this. Now we have to drag and drop 3 labels in this. So 1, 2 and 3, like this. And here we have to make this as 0. Text color should be white and font size should be 40. Same here, the text is 0 and white and font size is 40, like this. And after this we have to give the background color for this one, and again this white. Now select this horizontal arrangement and make this background color as green. Now I'm going to adjust it according to my requirement, like this. Okay, now we have to give some space between this, so drag and drop 2 labels between these 3 zeros and make this as time symbol, like this, and make this, and font size is 20, and this one also font size as 20, like this, and make this as center, center and center, like this. Now make this background color as orange or yellow. Now drag and drop 3 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. Make all of the buttons width to fill parent, like this and like this. Make this button text font size as 20, this one also as 20 and this one also as 20, like this. And in this button you have to type start, and this one is going to be pause, and this one will be reset, like this. And make the start button background color to green, this one, like this. Pause button should be pink and reset button should be red, like this. Now drag and drop 1 label between this and make this as nothing, and make this width as 10%, like this. Now we have to go to the sensors, drag and drop the clock here, make this time interval as 1 and make this timer enabled to untick. Now go to the block section over here. So when somebody clicks on the button 1, the start button, so we have to make the timer enabled to true. So make this set clock 1 timer enabled to, go to the logics and drag and drop true, like this. Then we have to go to the clock again, drag and drop when clock 1 timer do. So now go to the control and select if then, go to the maths, drag and drop 1 equals to over here, like this. Then go in this label 3 and select label 3 dot text over here, like this, and go to the maths and drag and drop 1 0 and make this as 15:9, like this. Now set label 3 text to, so let's see, set label 3 text to over here, like this. 2 0, copy and paste this like this. And now we have to go copy and paste this over here, drag and drop it, and make this as label 2. Now we have to delete this one and go to the maths and take this addition block over here like this. Now copy this block, duplicate it like this and make it label 2. Then copy and paste this, make this one as 1 like this. Then we have to drag and drop one more if condition, so go to controls again and you have to make it like this over here. And now label 2 dot, so we have to go over here. Okay. Then you have to go here and take this equals to block over here like this and set label 3 and set label 2, set label 2 text. So drag and drop some random block like this and change it to text like this. It is equal to, so again copy and paste this like this. Then set label 2, copy and paste this over here and remove this and take this one and make it as 0 and delete this and this. Now you have to do it for the R1. So take this one, make this one at set label 1 dot text. So take this one like this and make, now take the addition block over here like this and make this set label 1 text, copy and paste this, make this one as label 1. Now copy and paste this one and drag and drop it here like this. Then set label 3, so like this one, copy and paste this over here, set label 3, remove this block. Then you have to take the addition block over here, then label 3 dot text, copy and paste this like this, plus then you have to do, make this one as 1 like this. Now we have to code for the pause button, that is button 2. So when somebody clicks on the button 2, we have to make this clock timer enabled to false. So just copy and paste this and make this one as false like this. When we have to code for the reset button now. So take this one and then you have to set the label, copy these like this, this one, remove this like, delete it, then copy and paste it 2 times in a row like this and like this. Now make this as 1, 2 and 3. Then go to the math section and copy this 0, or you can take it from there, but I am copying and pasting it here, that will be easier. So like this. So you have made your clock timer app in MIT App Inventor. This app, if you click on the start button, it will go 1, 2, 3, then when it reaches 59, it will start from here, the counting. When it reaches 59 over here, then it will display the R over here. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like my video and please subscribe